Happy New Year! Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, dating point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque, from the north, Batanes, Parin, Ilocos, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mangit Province, La Union, Baguio City, Iba Isihan, Iba Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Sambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon.